Well, hello and welcome to The Foodie. This is a special episode because I'm visiting a very, very dear friend's home. So come along and meet my friend.
सर कुणाल साहब वापस आ गए.
He's back.
Every day.
It's not every day, every second day, otherwise 2 meals a day.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Come.
How are you?
Come for lunch?
Yes, I've come for lunch. Hi, Tanas, you're going?
Yeah, just
Really?
have a drink.
Okay, bye.
See you.
Sit now, no? Going? You also going? Yeah. Hi, Baban, how are you? Thanks for being on the show.
This is a show. Hi, Laila. Kunal is coming.
Well,
Yes.
come, this is the way I'm welcomed in this house
Everybody
all
in
the
this
time.
house gives Kunal a very, very warm welcome. Especially since he helps us eat the food.
Okay, first of all, Bombs, thank you for being on the show.
Arey Kunal, तेरे लिए कुछ भी है.
Arey, that is too kind, too kind.
Want to have a drink?
Yeah, sure.
You brought some for yourself?
That is very mean. That is very mean. He's not like this normally, okay? I think it's because his wife's not at home that he's behaving like this, but his wife always welcomes me over here. Bombs, but let's start at the beginning. You did not...
My wife welcomes you. Where is she right now? She's hiding in the bathroom, let me tell you. Anyway, go on. We love you, Kunal. We love
Very
you.
bad, very bad. Trust me, this is not true. This is not absolutely true. Normally, I'm quite welcome over here. 3 times a week. Twice a day, kind of thing. Okay, Bombs, let's start right at the beginning. As in the beginning before I knew
You'll have
you.
to ask my parents about that.
No, but before I knew you. According
The
to
good
me,
days.
The good days. Not that
Before
today.
I knew you.
Before you knew the good days before you knew me, okay? No, the reason I'm asking you this question is, you grew up in central Mumbai, in the older part of Mumbai, which is Nagpada. There's one thing very important about that whole area. That whole area boasted of some really good food.
Absolutely.
Correct?
I mean, what is a good childhood without having good memories of the little khane ki jagah?
Yeah, all the kebab walas and all the...
Best Sarvi kebab at Nagpada. I think it's famous even today.
Yes.
They have the flat Irani style kebab. It's
Sikh
not-
kebabs.
Yeah, the Sikh kebab.
Yeah.
Then there is of course a place where they sell Barahandi.
Correct, the
I
Barahandi.
think I introduced you to the world of Barahandi.
You introduced me to Sarvi kebabs also, which we still get to your house on many occasions.
Right? But I introduced you to my wife also.
Who makes the best Parsi food in the
Makes the
world.
best Parsi food, and that's why you kind of think it's nice of you to come here once in a while. On Clare Road, where there's the St. Agnes Girls' School over there. We went there not just to see the girls, but also to have the pyali, very famous pyali over there.
Okay.
But
So
also,
basically, you grew up in an area which boasted of a variety of different food.
B. Merwan, right opposite the Grant Road railway station, which is actually Farhan Akhtar's mama's place.
Really?
Yeah.
So B. Merwan is Hani Irani's brother.
Yeah. Farhan as a boy used to come and sit at the shop over there.
Really?
Yeah, that's his Irani side. In our house, though, we were very disciplined about rejecting food. We were not allowed to say, pass comments on the food, especially my grandmother, who was a disciplined lady, a kind lady, not a strict lady, but she would make sure that you never said anything against, I don't like this or I don't like that. If you said you don't like a particular dish, you will eat that. That will be the only thing that will be cooked for the rest of the week.
You started off life joining the family business, which was running a highly successful wafer outlet.
My grandfather started the business.
So your grandfather probably was a pioneer.
Pioneer of many things.
But from the wafer business, you shifted gear completely and took to photography and became a very, very successful photographer in advertising. How?
It's kind of settled down to a family life. You've got 2 kids, a wife, and if you run the business, it's not very easy then suddenly to change tracks and say, no, I want to be a photographer and pursue a dream. But I did. And for a while I must have suffered a
You must
lot.
have taken a lot of guts also to uproot yourself from an existing family business and income.
An income took a beating. So I was doing pretty badly for myself. The only thing that was going pretty well was the fact that I was becoming a good photographer as each day passed.
And I must tell you that I knew Baban when he was a photographer, and he was one of those rare people who could photograph a woman and make her look so beautiful that he also shot some pictures of me and
Which I have to admit, is, no matter how good I was, I tried very hard to make him look beautiful to nahi, but
I look quite good, boss. Baban, you shot good pictures of me. And then theatre happens to you suddenly. acting which you've not really done before.
So I start English theatre. I meet this gentleman on the first rehearsal I ever had. Was you walked in like a superstar. Sat and looked at कौन किसको बुलाते हैं यार play करने के लिए hello.
And then suddenly Munna Bhai happens to you.
Munna Bhai happened because I think I did a small English film called Let's Talk and Vinod Chopra saw it.
And then Vinod Chopra called you.
Vinod Chopra is saying कि picture में काम करेगा. बोले पर कौन से picture में? So I said, he said I don't know, I don't have a movie yet. Maybe next year. I said देखेंगे next year. So he said ऐसे नहीं. He wrote out a check. And he said this is your signing amount. Next year December I think we'll make a movie. And I want you to be in it. And here's the check. Because I know you will not have dates by then. I am predicting it. You will not have dates by then. याद रखना तू मुझे dates नहीं देगा. I said, what is this man talking about? You know, what rubbish is
You
this?
haven't even thought of doing
Hindi. I couldn't speak in Hindi properly then. Mainstream Hindi film में मुझे नहीं करना है, नहीं करना है. ये क्या मुन्ना भाई MBBS? I said, ये क्या है? ये कुछ story, कुछ दम है क्या? ये डॉक्टर बनेगा भाई. और ये क्या हंसने का है? Laughter therapy कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. मुझे नहीं करना है. Then finally, then I met Raju. Raju narrated the film. Then he never gave the check only.
Never gave the check only. So on that note, I'm going to say that I've eaten Parsi food in your house a million times. What cuisine?
Not a billion times. Yeah, a billion.
A billion times. What cuisine is tickling your palate at the moment? What do you want to eat? So let's go out and get a meal.
I'm in the mood for Thai food.
Thai?
Yeah.
So we go to the Thai pavilion at the President Hotel?
Yeah.